Good morning, good afternoon, daughter and son of God. God bless everyone. I wish the peace of God around you, in your home, everywhere you are. I wish the love of God in your heart. Like I say, with our love is war. So, like I say, every Friday we will talk. I want to talk about how to be a good Christian, what you need to do. It's not the prayer. It's not only the prayer. It's not only to give something you don't like to the poor people or maybe to your neighbor. But you need to impact your neighbor for what you do, what you have inside you, what you give outside from your body, from your. So today I want to talk about housewife. Yes, some woman, you are young, or maybe you are not, I don't know. You meet someone, you like him, he like you. So you people start to know each other. When the person will call you, oh, I'm coming to you. You run, you make yourself beautiful. You make up yourself. You make your hair. You look nice. You smell good. Sometimes when he call you, you make his favorite food. You are really there for him. He will call you 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. It's no problem for you. You always answer him. Oh, I disturb you. No, you're not disturbing me. It's okay. It's okay. Because you are in love, because you like him, because you want to show him like you are really you are really there for him. And he also he like it and he marry you. But when you come in the house, oh, you change. You change. Even the man you do not know, is that woman who had not before he is another one. He don't know you. He don't recognize you. He don't know you. You have changed. What you said one, you say 7. They said the woman need to be the balance of the home. You need to be the balance of your home. You had the woman of the house. You need to make always your man need to love you, because they say in the Bible, man, you need to love your wife. This is the Bible who say it. But the wife have a lot of things to do. The wife need to take care of the children. She need to take care of the house. She need to be the balance of the house. So before you need to be the balance of your house, first you need to take care of yourself. Because you and your man, you are one. You need to take care of yourself. You need to think before what you are doing to do at the man love you, to do at the man come to you, appreciate you, was follow in love with you. You always you change your hair, always you change your clothes, always you are really the beautiful. You make yourself beautiful. But now you change. Sometimes your hair, the same hair is 1 month, 2 months in your. Sometimes you don't even shower your hair. You don't even comb your hair. It's just like that, crinkly. My friend, you need to change. You need to make yourself beautiful. And sometimes you need to appreciate your man. You need to tell him he's beautiful. You need to tell your man, oh, you smell good today. You need to tell your man, wow, I like your shoes. I like what you are doing. I like what you say now. You need to appreciate your man. Then make your man. Then make the love of your man grown up. Sometimes some woman, maybe 5 or 6 years ago, they never do a present for them husband. Never do a present. Sometimes they don't remember even when they do the marriage. They don't even remember. You need to start to do a present to your man, because like you wish the man do a present for you, you need also to do a present for your man. He also will like. You need to, you know your man, you are married with him. You know every plan he have. You know that time he will come at home. That time you know you will come at home. You make his favorite food. You make yourself beautiful. You wait for him like before you was doing. Before you don't even know his plan. Sometimes he can just come without telling you. But when you saw from the window, his car is coming, or when you saw it's coming, you run, you go, you take shower, you make yourself beautiful. You change your clothes. You every time you change new clothes. But now you are married. The same clothes you put 2 weeks ago, the same you are putting today again. You need to change, my sister. Change. Make yourself nice. Make yourself beautiful. Make also you need to appreciate your man. If you are never doing that, you need to start to appreciate your man. You need to start to speak good things about him. You need to start to think about him positively. All the positive things he have done for you before. You need to start to think about that, and you will see your windy home will be so balance. You have the balance in your house. You have the peace in your house. It will be a lot of love in your house. Like I say, the woman is the food of the table, and the man is the table. Without the leg, without the leg of the table is nothing. The table will fall down. So it's the woman who is the balance of the house. You need to take care of yourself. Make yourself beautiful. Maybe you think, oh, I have 2, 3, 4, 5 children. I become big. I'm not nice more. No. The size is nothing about make ourselves beautiful. You can be big and beautiful and clean. You can be thin and clean and beautiful. So the size is nothing about. You need to take care of yourself. You need to put a good perfume. You need to make up yourself. You need to make your hair. You need to be ready for your man like a queen. You will say, oh, my queen, my beautiful queen. And you will see. When your man is angry, you need to calm down. You need to say in your heart, oh, this is not my man. It's not the man I know. Maybe I have some problem. I will wait. When he will calm down, I'll go and talk to him. I'll ask him. It's like that you shine the pain of your man. You understand your man. That the man wants. He wants you to understand him. He wants you to understand when he's angry, when he's happy. He wants you to understand him. This is the good wife. This is you need to do at the love of your man. Need to go every time up and up, not down. So this was the message of today. Woman, you are in your home, windy home, or you are start to know someone. This message for you. You need to take care of you. You need to take care of your husband. You need to appreciate your husband. You need to give some present for your husband. And you will see how their home will be lovely. How their home will be peacefully. How their home will be very, very good place to stay. And not one place to have like hot temper. God bless everybody. God bless your matrimony, your windy home. God bless your children. God bless everything you are doing. Amen.